Hey man, what you doing?
I'm playing Fruit Ninja.
Cool. I got a new recorder.
Nice.
Hey man, you want outside?
Alright. Let me put down my Fruit Ninja.
Alright. It's fun to go outside.
I know.
I forgot how nice your playroom looks.
It's not a playroom.
Whatever, video game room, whatever. Let's go.
It's a man cave.
Let's go!
It's cold out.
Yeah, I know. Let's just stay outside for a few more minutes.
Alright.
It's so cold out. Let's just make funny faces because it's just damn cold out.
Okay.
What the? Where's your Fruit Ninja? Dude?
Dang, I hit the bomb!
Oh my god.
Dude, we have to call the cops!
But I'm recording.
I'll check and see if you got a recording of him without his mask!
I didn't.
You didn't even check.
I didn't.
Oh! Go!
No! God damn it! No! Open the goddamn door! Oh, pick up it.